Hi, everyone. My name is Josh Rouse. I'm with the Department of Enrollment Management at Washburn University, and I'm going to show you a little bit about ScholarshipUniverse. So, ScholarshipUniverse is a new tool that we're using to help students match with external scholarships and eventually internal scholarships that we offer through the university. So, if you go to Washburn.scholarsipuniverse.com, you get the dashboard here, which shows you just a little bit of information about what scholarships are available for you. You can see here you've got a profile picture and your name. If you click on there, then you're able to change some of your communication options. So if you scroll down, you see all the different ways you can be communicated about different scholarships, deadlines that are approaching, other notifications like that. It's a really good way to be alerted when things are coming up for you. So to get started, you're going to want to fill out some of the matching questions. These help the system match you with the best scholarships that are available for you. You can see here right now I've got 458 partial matches, and it says scholarships needing questions answered to qualify. So the more questions that you answer, the more scholarships you're going to qualify for. So you can click this green box here or go over to questions on the side, and it'll give you a bunch of different questions you can answer about yourself. And like I said, the more you answer, the more opportunities you'll have to match with scholarships. Over here under the scholarships tab, you can see some of the scholarships that you've already matched with that you're eligible to apply for. And then here, if you've pinned a scholarship that you're interested in, then you can find that here. Under partial matches, you'll find a list of all the scholarships that you're partially matched to, which again, you need to answer more questions to make sure that you're fully qualified for all of those scholarship offers. Then you have this tab, which is any applications you've submitted. Under non-matches, you'll find scholarships that you do not match to. And under non-interested, if you've indicated you're not interested in a particular scholarship, that's where it will appear. Under the applications tab, you'll find any applications that you've started, submitted, or that you're ready to start. And then finally, under My Awards, any awards you receive, any scholarships that you've applied for and been accepted, they will show up here. And finally, any documents that you submit through that application will also show up in your My Docs folder. So that's just a quick run through of ScholarshipUniverse. We hope it's going to be a very helpful tool for you for finding many scholarships that would otherwise be very difficult to find on your own. We hope that helps, and as always, go Washburn.